So hi guys, so today we would be looking at one of the top services available for machine learning practices and machine learning models that you can go through. So we would be looking at the best three services and I would not be rating them according to any choice. You can go for any service you like or the tech stack you are comfortable with. So we would be starting with Microsoft Azure. So in Microsoft Azure, a lot of machine learning services are available. If you go to here and you search for machine learning, you would see a lot of things that are available there for machine learning deployments, endpoints, workspaces, and Studio. So this is the machine learning Studio Classic. This would retire on 2024. It has been mentioned here. So the Azure Machine Learning Studio is still available right now for next 3 years. Here you can make no code models. Means if you are not a machine learning enthusiast or you don't know how to code, even then you can go here and start coding. The best part about this is that it is free of cost if you start as a student account. Here a student account is available. As you can see, if you go to machine learning studio here, you would get to know all the workspaces part that is available, subscription, resource groups, location, and you can choose any of the available model you want. It's totally your choice. And if you go here, you can see the studio here in the studio.azureml.net. Here the studio basically allows you to create models, work with machine learning stuff. So once the studio gets loaded, it is going to show you all the available features in that. So here you can see the web services, the experiments, all the experiment, the trained models, the data sets that are available. A lot of data sets are already available, samples and all. Now, so this was part of Machine Learning Studio by Azure ML, and I would recommend you to go and use this. It's really not that much hard to use. You can just go and start using the Microsoft documentations. Now, the second thing is Google Cloud Platform. Here, if you search TensorFlow or even if you search machine learning, you would realize that a lot of you can see the natural learning AI platform, even Vortex AI has been added to this. So if you search on the cloud, that is Vortex AI Google Cloud, so you would realize that Google Cloud has recently launched a Vortex AI, which is a really awesome thing for building, deploying, and scale ML model faster with pre-trained and custom tooling with a unified AI platform. One AI platform, every tool you need to. So you can learn from here. A lot of documentations are available, and this is really easy to use. The best practices and all the documentation for it is available here in the Google Cloud. If you want to make some coding models, here are the available things for you. You can simply go and make a NVIDIA notebook, GPU notebooks available that has got access to GPU and make your serving packages and modules faster. But Vertex AI is similar to something called Azure ML, and you don't need to do much coding here. You just need to go start with the labeling part, providing you with the data sets and all. And Vertex AI is integrated with open source frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Skitlearn, along with all supporting ML frameworks. So yeah, this is a really nice part that even if you are from a background of PyTorch or Skitlearn, other than TensorFlow, even then you can go and start with your journey of ML in Vertex AI on Google Cloud Console. So yeah, this was the second thing, that is Vertex AI. Now coming to AWS, AWS has got a variety of features. This is one of the famous features is Amazon SageMaker. You can make a lot of models, machine learning models at scale. You can build, train and deploy them here directly. And yeah, even there are some free resources available here in machine learning part of Azure of AWS SageMaker. If you search here at machine learning, you would get all the things that are available here. The deep lenses, the Amazon Kendra, the deep there are a lot of things like state machines, sample projects that are available for you, and documentations are available in a variety. So you want to learn anything, all the stuff is available here. Even there is a thing called deep racer. Then it is deep composer. Means deep racer is basically a model that is for competitions, But yeah, Deep Composer allows you to getting started with machine learning and music compositions. Deep Lens is a video camera enabled with deep learning. And the SageMaker, which is the most famous one, is basically used for building, training and deploying machine learning models. Here you can directly go to the SageMaker Studio and get started with AWS SageMaker, how things work there, and just use your account. But yeah, you need to create an account for that, and a lot of documentations are available for that. If you don't know anything about this, a lot of documentations are already available for you. Go to developer resources, SageMaker, and you'll see this getting started and almost everything that you need to get started to anything in AWS. Everything is almost available on their website of developer resources in the documentation part. So yeah, this was it for from my side. You can choose whichever resource and whichever cloud service you feel like is good for you, suitable for you, easy to use, and get started with it. Because in many companies, cloud services for machine learning are used in a very wide scale. So start getting used to it is really helpful for any machine learning developer, scientist or machine learning engineer. So yeah, this was it for the video. Thank you and have a nice day.